Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Chevron rewards in 2025. If you're a frequent driver or just love saving on gas, this loyalty program is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to maximize your rewards and make every fill up count. Let's get started. First off, what is Chevron Rewards? It's a free program from Chevron that lets you earn points on purchases at their stations, which you can redeem for fuel discounts, snacks, or even merchandise. The best part? With the 2025 updates, the app is even more user-friendly, featuring personalized offers and easier tracking. Step 1. Signing up is super simple. Download the Chevron app from your phone's app store or visit their website. Create an account using your email and a password. Don't forget to link a payment method if you want to earn points automatically. Once you're in, verify your account, and you're good to go. Next, earning rewards. Every time you buy gas, shop in store, or use the app for payments, you rack up points. For example, in 2025, you get 2 points per gallon of gas and extra bonuses for electric vehicle charging at select stations. Keep an eye on promotions, they often double points during holidays. Now, checking your balance. Open the app, log in, and head to the Rewards tab. It shows your total points, recent activity, and any upcoming expirations. Set up notifications so you never miss out. Redeeming is where the fun begins. Use points for instant discounts at the pump. Just scan the app barcode before paying. Or, redeem for gift cards, car washes, or exclusive deals. A pro tip for 2025. Combine points with cash for bigger savings, and watch for limited-time offers in the app. One common mistake to avoid: forgetting to activate offers. Always check the app before your visit. And remember, points expire after 12 months, so use them wisely. There you have it, a straightforward guide to Chevron Rewards for 2025. Start saving today and make your daily drives more rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.